Hello and welcome to Hearing Healthcare Centre. Whenever we're presented with a new client's hearing impairment, it's very important we fit the correct instrument with the correct audiogram, suitable for the client's hearing loss. When somebody doesn't have a hearing loss, however, it's just as important to prevent hearing loss in the first place. We live in an increasingly loud world, with some cities having an average ambient noise of around 60 dB, which is only 20 decibels off the level deemed unsafe. Your eyes can only take so much brightness before they're permanently damaged, and your ears behave in the same way, only with volume. Some of the people most at risk of hearing damage are motorcyclists. It's a well-known fact that motorcycles aren't the safest vehicles on the road. Though they're fast, nimble and fun, there's a higher risk to the rider than to most car drivers. What people often don't realise is that even the safest motorcycle rider is still exposed to a large risk: noise-induced hearing loss. Excess noise can be very harmful, and to fully explain the importance of motorcycle ear protection, we'll need to quickly run through how noise-induced hearing loss occurs and also explain the decibel scale. A conversation at normal volume measures about 50 decibels. A subway train measures in at around 100 decibels. Now you might be thinking, a subway train is definitely well over double the sound of a normal conversation. And you'd be correct, because the decibel scale isn't actually linear, it's logarithmic. Unlike a ruler in which 20 centimeters is double 10 centimeters, 20 decibels is actually 10 times more intense than 10 decibels. Sound intensity is not the same as loudness. In terms of loudness, what humans hear, every 10 decibel increase represents around double the volume. A jet taking off 300 meters away measures in at 106 decibels, which is only 56 decibels above a normal conversation, yet it represents almost 10 times the volume. Anyway, back to the bikes. The law prevents any motorbike generating more than 80 decibels of sound, which is fairly safe to the ears. Your ears can take anything under 75 decibels for an indefinite amount of time with negligible or no hearing damage. Above 75 decibels, precautions should be taken to prevent damage to your hearing. 80 decibels on the average motorbike is unlikely to cause you damage. However, one thing generates even more noise for the rider: wind. When you're travelling at just 40 miles per hour on your motorbike, the wind noise has already surpassed the engine's noise. Travelling at 70 miles an hour, the wind noise will surpass 100 decibels. The faster you go, the louder it will get. For this reason, it's absolutely imperative that riders keep their ears protected. Just to give you an idea, at 100 decibels, your ears will last for only 15 minutes before long-term damage starts to occur. Riding for just 1 hour at over 100 decibels will cause serious damage to the hair cells in your cochlea, which is the organ in your ear responsible for hearing. With regards to the protection itself, there are a few options available to you. Your first option is to buy disposable foam earplugs. You may have seen these brightly coloured pellets before in industrial factories. They're manufactured for one-time use and tend to block out up to a maximum of 50% of loud noise. In terms of their ability to block sound, there are far better options available, but these plugs are cheap, quick and easy to insert, and are definitely better than wearing nothing at all. If you're serious about motorbikes and want to continue riding them long term, custom-moulded plugs are essential. As the name suggests, custom-moulded plugs are uniquely moulded to the shape of your ear canal for the perfect fit in order to protect your ears. You can obtain custom-moulded ear protection by having your impressions taken at your local audiologist. Filtered plugs are again custom-moulded ear protection which uniquely fits your ear. Filtered plugs contain a specialized acoustic filter, which is able to attenuate anything which falls above 80 decibels. What this means is that conversation and anything falling below 80 decibels you will hear with perfect clarity, but anything which rises above 80 decibels will be attenuated. Keeping your ears in tip-top condition is very important if you ride a motorcycle on a regular basis. Not only do you protect the hearing you have and prolong the need for a hearing aid in the future, but you also enjoy a peaceful ride without the loud sound of wind and the motorbike engine. This video is part of a series on the dangers of exposure to loud noise. Check out our other videos on sleep, swim, shooting, and industrial ear protection. We hope this video has been informative, and if you found the video helpful, please drop us a like and don't forget to subscribe for more hearing-related content. Thank you very much for watching. We'll see you next time.